Hi there, it's Nikki here, and I wanted to come and talk about one of my favorite products to have as a woman, as a mom, just as a human being, period. Everyone needs these. It's the pocket size singles, the Ones Antibacterial Hand Wipes. And what I really like about these is that they come in these cute little pocket size individual packs. So you can do like I do. I'll carry a few in my purse. I will make sure I have a supply. And other good places to make sure you have your wet ones stashed are the school bags. Yeah, I give them to my children so they can have, wipes to clean their hands before they eat. Your purse, like I said, briefcase, car, desk, gym bag. It's just good to have. Oh, especially good to have when traveling, because there are just germs all up and throughout, and you want to make sure that you can wipe things down to help prevent, the spreading of that bacteria and the germs. The hand wipes, they kill 99.9% of germs, and they also clean better than just like the typical, antibacterial liquid that people will have and squirt onto their hand. These actually are known to clean better. Of course, before these came out, you had the regular wet ones or antibacterial wipes that you would use, but they come in that big kind of tube packaging. Then you have to pull one out, one by one. But these here, you can actually, just stash them even right in your pocket. Can't do that with the big tub that they usually come in. So you can get these at CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, pretty much. I can't think of a place where you wouldn't be able to get these, and they usually come in 24 individually wrapped wipes. You open it up. As you can see, we've been using quite a lot. They'll come in a pair, and you just take them out, rip them apart, and got your little fresh scent wipe, and they smell really good too. So when you open it up and you just unfold your wipe, and it's just a thin little moist wipe that has the cleaning solution already in it, and you can just wipe your hands off and boom, bam, real easy. Just in case you aren't anywhere where you have a sink and some soap and water, you've got these handy to still clean your hands to not get sick. And before you eat, before you touch your face, you don't want to accidentally rub your eyes or touch your mouth or anything like that with dirty hands. So it's good to have something like this on stash. So in case you do touch your face or rub your eyes, you know that you're good and your hands are clean. And as far as ingredients go, the active ingredient is the antibacterial agent benzothonium chloride. I believe I said that correctly. Very, very easy to use. You just open it up, take it out. Directions: apply to hands, allow to dry without wiping. Boom, bam. You don't want to just give it to a little baby under 2. Or really a toddler, anything like that, because they might want to put it in their mouth, and this is nothing that they should have in their mouth. And there are the other ingredients. Yeah, a lot of words I'm not going to try to say. This is a really great product to have. Something that I do use all the time. I want to make sure that I keep clean hands, my little ones keep clean hands, and don't bring any germs home. Now this is made by Wet Ones. Since they aren't liquid, they are also really great to travel with, because you don't have to worry about that whole 3-ounce, 4-ounce liquid rule, because they are in that package and it's just a wipe. So that's another really great benefit of them as well. Like I said, they are hypoallergenic and they don't irritate your skin at all. My little ones do have sensitive skin and these have never bothered them at all. The wipes are designed to kill bacteria on hands, so I really wouldn't try to use them as like a cleaner for your home and hard surfaces or anything like that. But I would say other instances in where I've used them are like, at parties, sometimes after shaking someone's hand and then you find out they're sick, or you might just want to wipe down after shaking someone's hand, period. Definitely good after touching money. Money can be very dirty, like public door handles at your shopping. Now these last a really, really long time. They last about 2 years from their manufacture date. But once they do actually dry out, though, it's not recommended that you try to use them again or try to wet them and use them. But really, 2 years is a long time, and to speak matter-of-factly, these aren't even going to last 2 weeks in your house because you're going to find yourself using them so much. So these are really, really awesome. The Wet Ones Antibacterial Hand Wipes. And you can also get even more information about them at wetones.com. Thanks for watching.